Easy, easy. He's touching it.
But you're not.
Easy.
But you're not.
Move away. Let him talk to you. Move away. Don't touch his hand. Move away for a minute. Move away. Stay there. He's telling you he wants to play with you. Say what, Bussy, or what?
What should I boo with me? But you're choking me out.
Give him a kiss. Easy, easy, easy. That's it, that's it.